Hey everybody, this is Mark from Tri Duty on the Trail, and I'm out for another overnight adventure. Gonna disperse camp here in this state game area here in southern Michigan. Gonna find a nice spot down by the river and enjoy a nice quiet afternoon and evening. So looking forward to a great time. I was looking for someone's name in there. He is not there, because I know he was here just recently, so I thought maybe he put his name in. Doesn't look like he did. But it's good to be back on the North Country Trail. So it's about 42, 43 degrees, so for the last couple of days of December, it's pretty great. So a little mushy and wet, supposed to get some rain on and off throughout the afternoon and evening today, so we'll see how that goes. But this is a really enjoyable place, reasonably close to home as well. Still get that you're in the middle of nowhere experience. It's awesome. Well, these fresh new blue blazes tell me that the local North Country Trail chapter has been out here busy maintaining the trail, and thank you, volunteers. Really appreciate you and giving us the opportunity to enjoy all these great miles of trail. Thank you. So just down this hill is a point of interest. I've stayed down there actually in the past, and it's a neat little spot right on the little river or creek there. It's called Doty Cave. Really cool spot, but I'm gonna push on and try a new spot that I have not yet experienced. So I was inspired by one of the latest videos from Sam Bananas. He does fun videos, camping and hiking and stealth camping and stuff like that. So if you get a chance, check him out. It's good stuff. So we're moving along pretty good right now. Probably another hour or so we'll be at camp, and maybe less. And then we'll get set up like right away because the rain is on the way. In fact, I feel a drop here and there already, so it's not supposed to hit until 4, but I have a history with rain. You may or may not know. So we're gonna get to camp as quick as we can, get set up, and try to stay as dry as we can. So there's a pup at the top of this little hill here. I'm going the other way, and it ran down behind me and scared the crap out of me. So must be hunting season of some sort right now. We're gonna go our way. If I had realized, I would have wore some bright hunter orange, but I don't know, what season would it be? Squirrel? Rabbit? I don't know. Lots of gunshots though. There's a small camp right down there, and I'm trying to remember if this is the one that I'm thinking it is. If so, it's a lot closer than I realized. We're gonna look around a little more. Yep, and here's another one down here. And the pup is still following me right through there. So we're gonna, and beyond that there's a lake out there. So I stayed by that lake up on a little hill there a few times, and it's cool. It gets pretty windy. In fact, my tent flew away one time when I was putting it together. But I think we're gonna come down here and take this spot. Have a look. There you go. Not at all. All right, so actually it's just switched sites. This one's flatter, much flatter. I can get a nice spot with the tent right here. A little nicer setup with the fire ring as well, and looks good. This is a good spot, and the view over here be nice background noise for a nice sleep tonight. Pillow, got my quilt, get the sleeping pad here in a minute. There we go. Voila. This is nice. So I managed to scrounge up some firewood. Just gonna try and keep it as dry as possible in the vestibule here. One of the few times I use both of the vestibules, so kind of cool. I need fire to make dinner tonight. I mean, I could probably work around it, but it'd be a lot easier. So we'll see what the rest of the afternoon brings as far as the precipitation. Seems like it's not. No, it is just a drizzle. We'll survive. So it continues to drizzle, not terrible, but just enough to be annoying. And so I'm gonna have some lunch because I haven't had any lunch. So here we go. So what do we got here? Buffalo style chicken. I'm gonna slap it on a tortilla. And here we go. No condiments, bottoms up. Yes, I remember liking this. Cayenne pepper hot sauce. You can definitely taste it. Good. And what the heck? For dessert, we'll have some nonpareils. This is one of my favorite gifts. Honestly, they are so good. So good. They're also very hard because they're so cold. So it looks like we got a few more hours of rain ahead of us. Sometimes heavy, it looks like. Not terribly heavy, but just enough to put a dampener on the everything. But, oh well, we'll figure it out. Well, the rain has definitely picked up, and I looked at the radar, I knew it would be, so looks like we might have a couple more hours of this, so it'll probably be dark before it stops raining. So, hey, how it goes. So the rain has died down, and there's another big surge coming in probably 30, 45 minutes. And after that, it looks like it might taper off. So it'll be dark, but we may try to get a fire going and cook up a proper dinner. But Michigan weather, who knows? Who knows? Well, it took about all day, but we finally got the rain to stop. we got a fire going, so I'm feeling good about that. So I'm gonna heat up some food here and have a kind of a late dinner. Let's go. So the campsite here is just totally saturated with water. I mean, just saturated. I don't know how else to describe it. Just water, water, water. Slippery, muddy, but somehow we got a fire going. I'm really excited about that, but it's been a long day. It's been a long day. I mean, I was complaining earlier, but this is pretty great, actually. And you can't see all the detail, but there's the river over there. The trees. Man, it's cool. Of course, as soon as I say that, it starts to rain again. But we're getting close to dinner time. We're gonna try not to hurt ourselves. Cut the ciabatta bread for our meatball sandwich. Meatballs. It's time to warm them up. Just waiting for the meatballs. Meatball sandwich number 1. Okay. I love having a campfire on cold, rainy nights. This is awesome. Gonna enjoy the fire as it dies down, and we'll head to bed. Get up hopefully reasonably early and get back home before it gets too far in the day, and enjoy the rest of the weekend. So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that jazz, and we'll see you in the morning. So it's about pushing 8 o'clock, sun's trying to come up, but the rain's supposed to go till about 8:30. So I'm gonna pack up everything in here and try to get a move on it and stay as dry as possible, so we'll see how that goes. There we go. Okay. And just like that, we are back on the trail with just maybe a couple of miles until we get back to where we started. Let's see how the morning shapes up. Still cloudy and gloomy and raining. This is one of my favorite spots in this forest. These pine trees are just amazing. It's cool to switch into this environment just all of a sudden. It's so cool. I always expect to see deer when I come through here. It's just so open. And yet I never have. On another note, it's a balmy 47 degrees for December 28th, I think it is. It's crazy. I mean, these temperatures are crazy. But just a week ago, it was like well below freezing. So This is Michigan winter. Crazy. Looks like the sunshine's trying to punch through. I hope it makes it. Probably once I'm done, it will. So I'd say less than a half a mile and we will be done. We'll start a long descent back to the road where we started. This is turning into a very, very beautiful day. Wow. Can't believe how warm it is. Well, we are nearly to the road where we'll turn and wrap this up. It's been a good trip all in all. I haven't had one where I've been quite so washed out, if you will, in a while. So makes for its own adventure, I suppose. But now we're going back to reality. So hope you've had a Merry Christmas, and I wish you a wonderful New Year. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next one.